Sick and tired of feeling, so sick and tired of dreaming. 'Cause I always wake up sick and tired of believing that this pain will never end. Oh, I've had enough. Cause it always comes back again, and I'm not even gonna pretend that it's okay. Constantly putting bad thoughts on replay. I really don't like living life this way, but I know that these things will never change. Tell myself to breathe in, but the darkness sun gets deep in, and its madness got me thinking. So sick and tired of dreaming, 'cause I always wake up sick and tired of believing that this pain will never end. Oh, I've had enough. I've had enough. Here we go again. You're my enemy friend. You're the enemy. Here we go again. I'm losing all my again. I'm settle down in the place of dreams, float away in the scenery. Take a backpack of what you need. Let's explore the world we see. All the dangers have been made up. You believe what they say. Through the heartache, I would stargaze. No invasion today. We've come this far, through wind and rain alone. So take your chances, embrace the waterfall.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Good evening. Trying to I figured out why we've been getting kicked off the 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 live stream. Hold on one second here. Is because I think during this time, especially in the morning, maraming gumagamit ng ng I guess cell phone tower here, or the towers for the internet. So it kind of lowers my ang tawag dito, my upload speed um by half. So I guess during this time it's peak time. Since school has started and everything. So that's that's why, especially when it gets closer to around 8 o'clock when school starts. Does that make sense? So I've been, getting affected a whole lot by that. Not sure exactly how to fix that because I've spoken to my internet provider several times, and finally somebody was able to, come up with the right answer as to why I've been, getting kicked out of my live stream. And they said, it's, especially around that time frame, I mean, school nowadays, man, they use laptops. They don't do that whole old school thing where you have your pencil and your paper. It's all about laptop nowadays. All the kids got laptop for free. Yeah, it's a lot of the kids get all distracted. They don't even do their work anymore. So I kind of I'm one of those who disagree with the whole thing. Go back to the notebooks and do it the old way. You know what I mean? Kids will, take it serious. But nowadays, man, they have the laptop. They play in Roblox. They playing Minecraft. What was that sus game? I forgot what it's called already. I don't even play it. But yeah. So good morning, everybody. What's going on? Doge is at 49 cents. I told y'all for a Doge would be very attractive at 45 cents above, right? Look at this. Broke 45 cents, retested, and resumption off. So if you would have, got into Doge, I would have played this this retest right here, and then, but I missed it. I was asleep. I slept good. While XRP is just playing mind games with everybody, right? Well, since XRP is still, basically attached to Bitcoin, I'll kind of give you guys an example why that is. But before that, I just want to say good morning and good evening. It's nice. It feels good. It's a nice day today. It's a little humid outside, but I just wanted to take this time to welcome all the new, I guess, visitors to this channel. If you haven't got a chance to, please like and subscribe to this channel. We do this every Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. We do this to support and educate. We're all about education here. For the new traders. I mean, even all the seasoned investors that are out there listening to this. Welcome. What we do here is we just try to, share the knowledge that we have, so that all the new traders can have, um, uh, a better understanding when it comes to trading crypto, right, for the first time. And we like to inject them with more confidence, I guess, with more confidence in making trades. Um, we love all crypto. We don't. It don't matter. We don't just focus on XRP, although XRP is our favorite coin, but we do try and focus on other coins as well. And we do the best we can when we do when we do our chart analysis. We try to keep it simple. We don't need all the crazy things. So with that being said, if you're watching this and it doesn't say live on the bottom of the screen, then you're watching a recap. Just be sure to go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when we do go live. We need to keep an eye on XRP or BTC. I'm sorry, not XRP, BTC. XBTC needs to maintain this level here. We need to maintain this level here. All right. I mean, right now we're just kind of trading sideways, retesting that. What is that? The 250, the 50 EMA. See, I still don't know these lines, but regardless, I know the range. We're just kind of staying in this range right now, retesting that 50 EMA. We need to keep this intact and able for us to maintain that bullishness. This is a dangerous level for BTC once it kind of gets below here. But since this was happening since last night, so the bulls are managing to maintain these levels. I thought the bears are gonna take over for a little bit and bring the price down back towards here. So we don't need that because that'll affect everything else. Whichever crypto is still attached to BTC. All right, cool, got it. So we need a really big bounce for BTC, enable for us to continue, which I think going into by Thursday, into the weekend, we should see a nice, bounce. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening somewhere else where other cryptos totally detach themselves away from BTC. Kind of like Ethereum, where it's just, we had that little pullback right there, bounce up, and just, went and to another all-time high, which is 34.42. We hit 20. Well, this is on the daily. Let's go to the hourly. What is that? Pullback. I was looking at the daily. Sorry. We had a pullback here around 34.44. And then we had a bounce around up to 34.77 or something like that. So how far can Ethereum go? I was saying the other day, I think it was yesterday, it might have been yesterday, that Ethereum could be possibly aiming for that mid-range, $3,500 range. And then, see what happens from there. If it just keeps going up and higher than that, then that's just even crazier, right? What do you call it? Doge, pretty much, going ham here on the hourly chart. Doge is already at 51 cents. Can you see? Can you the next? I mean, target here would be 56 before Doge, creates like a pullback, maybe a flag, something like that in that area, whatever. But I mean, dang, that's crazy. That's crazy. This is even before that event we were waiting for. So, I mean, imagine, I think the event will bring Doge above 50 cents, right? Or above, what is this? 63 cents. So Hey, nice. If you're, if you would have played Doge right here, where I was like, all right, cool. Doge is attractive at 45 cents. Then because it needed to break this here, right? Here, let me show you guys. It took Doge a long time to get above 42, 43 cents. Where we were waiting for a while. I think it was right here. Yeah. Right there. It finally broke it, hit 45 before pulling back and then retrying that breakout. So successful breakout finally. And then yeah, man, nice. So good job you caught that. Let's see what else we got here. Saan kaya magandang coins? So I'm trying to read this. Uh magposition para makapag-cut loss. Gotcha. Um hmm. Good quest, man. You should have went to Doge. I said this last night and then they started a whole riot. People were rioting on Facebook. But the thing is, like, ETC, I think you were already late to ETC because it's closely following Ethereum. So yeah, I finally broke out of this range right here. So XRP, man, that's the thing about it, right? Like, so you're gonna have to wait until XRP and BTC find the level. It's everything else. I mean, look, XRP. It's not just XRP. VET is the same way. We did this thing with VET yesterday. So anything around this level here is an entry point, long term, right here, right? But it's still closely following BTC. So TRX same way. BTC drops, everything else drop except obviously Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin. All those are already separated of themselves away from BTC. And that's the thing about altcoins, right? At a certain point, at a certain level, you're gonna see altcoins just separate themselves away from BTC. So if we look at the daily chart on BTC and compared it with Ethereum, all right, do you guys see that? You see how Ethereum just kept on going up. So even though, like, right here, right? So right here on the daily chart of Ethereum versus BTC, you have the orange line, which is Ethereum, and you have BTC, which is the candles. So when BTC dropped here, Ethereum already pretty much retraced, right? Retraced and had that W shape recovery, and it just went crazy. While BTC is still in, right, I think it's still right here, right? So it's still here trading within this range before I think BTC goes up. So what if we do Doge, right? Compare Doge versus ETC. I don't know, Doge versus BTC. So did Doge separate itself away from BTC? I mean, looks like it did, right? So this is BTC and this is Doge. When BTC went down, right? This big downtrend right here with with BTC and Doge took off, right? Doge is already taking off while BTC is still down here. So let's compare that with the XRP, right? Here's XRP. How XRP is still closely related to BTC, right? So what I think will happen is if BTC doesn't, go higher by this weekend, all right, and if it starts to fall below, our 50 EMA here, all right, and then of course we have some news about the SEC that is kind of like a mystery at the moment. So para siyang like nobody really knows what this news is about because it's actually private um to everybody else but only to Ripple and SEC. Uh is if that actually comes out to be a good news, then you can maybe then you could start to see XRP separated, separate away from BTC. Does that make sense? And what does that tell me about BTC? Well, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't want to say it's the end for BTC, but um yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see about that. So entry point for XRP is wait. Don't do anything yet. Just in case BTC just doesn't hold these level here and XRP starts to fall, then I would be careful with that. Does that make sense? With Doge, man, I mean, you could, like I said, I always say it, don't never chase a green candle. um, be careful. I would just say be careful because um, you could be, I mean, I don't know, man. Just be careful with Doge. Be careful with Doge. Da, 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 da. I'm not saying don't jump in, but I'm saying be careful. Let's see what else we got. Zap. Nah. Yeah, we have, LTC that's already separated away from BTC. So we're starting to see a sequence here. How some coins are already away from BTC. I think that's just a huge, or this might just be a major rotation going around. And it's because sometimes the same way with yung sa stock market, ganon din. There's a rotation that usually happens. So you right now you're seeing all these are in the green, right? You got Burger, you have Unicorn or Uniswap, you have LTC and Dogecoin, ETC, Ethereum, and all them are all in the green. Pero once the rotation rotates back to all these other coins, all the ones that are in green are gonna be in red, while everybody else is gonna be in the green. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? But yeah. So we'll keep an eye on Doge here and see what happens. Let's see what we got. Let's put XRP on the table as well. So we got to maintain these levels as well. Same thing with XRP. Mainly above 140. That's the level we have to maintain. All right. That 141. Yeah, that's fine. Let's bring it down a little bit to right there. That 140 level. Day trade or Doge. Day trade Doge or XRP. I don't know, man. It's up to you. I can't really like by now you guys should know. I guess, decision wise. I am not doing any trading at the moment. I'm waiting. That's just me though. I'm not doing any type of trading. I'm waiting to see how all this plays out. So, Doge. I mean, hey, you know what? If you want to do Doge, just wait for a a flag to form, something like this. Kind of like that, where it traded. Like this breakout. Then you got another flag forming somewhere, and then breakout. Make sense? So wait for a consolidation. Wait for consolidation, kind of like this, and then yesterday, I forgot who it was. May nagtanong na kung pwedeng mag-trade ng Doge. I said, wait, kasi nasa resistance pa, right? Which was right here. And then wait for confirmation. Confirmation is either a confirmation down or confirmation of breakout. So the confirmation was a candle, right, that breaks into this line here, this resistance line, and then that was your main. Let's see, this is on the hourly. You'll see a retest here somewhere right there. So a breakout, retest, then resumption off. This was about to be a retest, but it didn't really actually make it all the way. So, but that's what caused, hit that 45 cents level. That's what caused that big drop, and then all of a sudden a continuation up towards, the current levels. But yeah, so sometimes the confirmation would be, either a breakout or that downside. But in this case, you would have, you should have played it here. You should have played it here. I need to keep an eye on my stream. Hold on. You should have played it here and then, got a long position. And then took profit here, got some position here somewhere, and then, yeah. So if you were playing those right now, you would be like, what's going on? And there's a red candle. Wait for consolidation. Right? Chasing candles. What up, Mr. Soriano? Soriano, are you awake? I know you're ready. You got about an hour left until the stock market opens. But oop, and there's green. That volume though. Look at that volume, man. That's huge. Where's my thing at? Doesn't really tell you, huh? All the volumes down here. Yeah. Well, it's slow sell volume, that's for sure. Yep. Doge hitting another high, 52, 800. Mr. Soriano, do you have any Doge? Did you buy in? Did you buy back in or what? That is your volume profile. Kind of gives you gives you details on where big volume is. So, as you can see here, this red line, this is the point of control. This is where big volume comes in. This is what drive Doge to this level here. And then the yellow is the sellers, the blue is the buyers. So as you can see up here, there's not too many sellers. That's why the price continually rises up. And then here you have the sideways trading because there's big volume worth of buyers and sellers, which drives the price to trade sideways like this, right? Kind of like here, same thing, until you can see here, um, the volume via sellers is starts to die down, and then as you can see here, when it hit this area, there's big volume of sellers, which drove the price down. But when it gets down here, there's a bunch of buyers, which kind of helps drives the price up. And then over here, yeah, so on and so forth. That's how you use it, which is pretty cool. You can actually use it as a strategy to trade, but you got to know how to read this thing, read the volume profile. But yeah, you still have some. Sweet. Sweet. $55 or $55. 55K. Need to maintain 55K. Otherwise, BTC would not make it. You can see we're holding. We're trying to hold. Where's my line? My line disappear? Okay. So right here on XRP, as you can see, there's big volume here, right? This also point of control acts as a support or a resistance, right? So if XRP falls down here, this here will act as support until kind of get, until either if it breaks this support and we start to go down here, or if it maintains this level, then XRP will try and move up. But there's a lot of sellers here. We have to get above here and able for us to go higher, right? So yeah, that's where we're at currently, right? So we're trying to get rid of all these sellers. But you can see on XRP, there's wicks. These wicks right here, you see these wicks? Well, let me do it the other way. Actually, these wicks here indicates, right? This wicks here, wick here, wick here, wick here. So these indicates rejection around these prices. Does that make sense? So when it wicks up like this, it means that it's trying to do its best to reject a lower price, right? So that's why we have the point of control around here and here as well. We are rejecting this lower price, right? This is the big support that we've been, battling over and over right here, right? For how long was this? And then this was also the battle zone for XRP, right? Uh-oh, I don't want that. Battle zone for XRP. If you go look in the 4-hour chart, battle zone here, battle zone, which gives us a major support here, right? So it's wicking right here, meaning it's rejecting us this support here. So we need BTC to hurry up and bounce off of that. All right. And XRP as well. So Doge is just nuts. It's going crazy. It's going parabolic. But yeah. Somebody asked me something. If you're in profit, if you're in profit, take profit now. It's starting to wick here. Right? Remember, I told you that in the mid, somewhere in the middle, you're gonna want a flag somewhere over here, kind of like this, and somewhere over here, you're gonna want a flag. You don't want just a straight up, straight shoot up price, because once you hit this, it's gonna come right back down. You want something. You want to create a leg. You know, still pretty strong though. That's crazy. That is crazy. I think it wicked because of this right here, but we'll see. You know, just be careful. Once I start seeing wicks, I'm like, all right, get out. Um, what up? Good morning, everybody. Please like and subscribe to the video. We do this Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. PH time. Yeah, you see the wicks? So wait for a flag somewhere, That would be a confirmation. Confirmation would be a red candle, but we'll see. BTC is dying. Oh, Oh no, that's Doge. Never mind. I thought I saw BTC at 54,000. BTC at 55.7. We need to maintain the levels, man. Otherwise, that one guy is gonna be like, haha, I told you so. Like, talking about like XRP going at $1.20. Like last night was like, man, people were like going crazy. We had a riot on Facebook. Everybody was throwing stuff around, and then I had to be like, I'm sorry guys. I didn't mean for this to happen. It was funny. But nevertheless, keep it positive and respectful. Don't lose your cool. Keep it, just God bless them, man. All right. Just respect. Just maintain your coolness. Don't lose it based on what another person says. It don't matter. It's just an opinion, and the last time I checked, opinion doesn't pay the bills. So hindi pa. Hindi ayaw mag-message sa akin. Since when was that? The last time I was like, hey, if I think his name is Michael. If you're watching this, you need to message me ASAP. I tried to get a hold of him. I messaged him and everything. But he still hasn't messaged me back. So you got until Friday, this Friday, before you lose that $100. Got until Friday to claim that $100. Well, it's $100 worth of XRP. So, XRP is fast. It's a really cheap way to transfer crypto around. So, yeah. 1 week. He got about 3 more days. 3 more days, maybe 4 days left. Look, there's a red candle. There's that confirmation we were looking for, because once you start to see wicks, red candle will confirm that we will see a sideways trading. As you can see via our thing there. But yeah. You never know. Buyers could still push this up. But That's usually what I like to see. Yes, you do have a chance. It's $100 worth of XRP. Um, and let's see what happens. Okay, he has to message me. I tried my best to message him, find him. I don't know where he's at. He's not on the Discord. I don't know how he found me. He's not even on Discord. Yeah. Doge, man. That's crazy. BTC at 55, almost at 56K. So we're keeping a close eye on this as we proceed, just because, like I said, man, it's got to maintain chance for live viewers. I know, right? A lot of people try to make their odds, I know, so much, I guess, better their odds by commenting several times, but the comment picker doesn't work like that. It kind of knows it's got the magic. Oh man. Doge, man, this is crazy. Let's do this. So we have multiple views of everything. BTC up here. We need to get rid of that. Get rid of that. What is this? 5 minutes? There it is. And then we need to have Ethereum will give us the signal, or is either going to be Ethereum or Doge that will give us the signal that the rotation, or we're going to see that rotation. So we'll wait. We're still maintaining this level here on XRP. Same thing with BTC, maintaining this level. It needs to maintain this level, although we are seeing some kind of a flag here. I want to say it's a bear flag, but then again, we saw a bear flag last time and that was invalid. Same thing with XRP. We saw a bear flag last time, it went down and it was invalid. So we have to wait. We have to wait and see. There we go. How about the EMA? It's just default. I think it was the 20. Yeah, 200, 20, and 50. That's just default. I don't really mess around with EMAs too much, to be honest with you. Like, I like more of a clear chart. I mean, I look at it. Yes, don't get me wrong. I look at it if it's crossing or if it's dropping below a certain area. But I like my support and resistance better in knowing the range. Knowing the range helps me more. I guess. So ETH. Hold on. Da-da-da. We need a big bounce with BTC. We need a big bounce. While we're at it, we need to check some news. Make sure we're good to go. Let me see here. Bars are now open for Doge. Keep an eye out for, yeah. Wow, all these listings now open for Doge. Doge is being used as a, like, a way for, what do you call it? To make a payment on a travel company, I think it was. What about ADA? We went over ADA last night. Let's see, where would ADA? We'll use it here on the right bottom corner. Where's ADA at? There it is. So ADA is going to eventually break out of this triangle here. I'll put it right here. So as you can see, ADA is getting really close to breaking out of this triangle. Um, the sign of resistance that it needs to break out of is that 136 level. And if you calculate the size of a breakout, you just have to go from here to right there. So take this and put it right here, this level here. Price target is almost at $2 for ADA. Yeah. So wait for that breakout. Play the retest. I mean, that's the thing. I mean, if it's gonna retest anyway, but the reason for the retest is to make sure it's not a failed breakout. Okay, because the retest, when it retests, it could still come back and fall down within the triangle. So that's why I play the retest. But if it's been waiting, it's if you're, ADA has been stuck in this range for a long time. So once it breaks out, it's gonna be a really big breakout. So I would just, um, wait till it cross. Draw your resistance so that way when it's breaking out. Once it crosses this triangle here, this line or resistance, and you start to see 136, 137, go ahead and long term it or position yourself there. Not a financial advice. Do not buy or sell anything that you hear or read on this channel. All right, guys, remember. um, so back to where we were at. Yeah, vet, same thing. We went over that last night. Still the same position. How come it doesn't show me? Well, I'm not sure what happened, but we were at these levels here, so we have to break that 28 cents area or 24 cents, whichever one it was. Yeah, 23. So we have these push ups here. Where's my arrows? You have these push-ups here as well as here. And let's see here. What you could take your entries around these the support line right here. That would be the best way to do it. But then again, you need to keep an eye on BTC. Though BTC is at 56K right now. Just keep an eye on BTC because BTC going down lower than 55K will bring VET down here as well, right? So keep an eye on BTC, but this would be support for VET. All right. And a breakout would be past that 23 cents area. Know what I'm saying? So that means if we manage to get a bounce, you get that breakout, then you got the breakout retest, and then yeah, resumption off. So this would be the key levels. First sign of resistance would be right here. Second major resistance is here, and then the biggest resistance would be right there. Okay. But yeah, ETH at 34.90. Let's see if it keeps on going to 35K, 3,500, not 35K. That is wild. I want to see what happens at 3,500. Keep an eye on it. You can see we're seeing that sideways trading with Doge already. BTC above this level here would be nice. Let's see what happens with ETH. Keep it going. Oh man. So what's up guys? Kumusta kayo? Shout out to the chat, baby. Shout out to Team Legend. You guys are badass. Discord channel. You guys keep it crazy in there. I haven't even turned on my Discord yet. Speaking of Discord, hold on. Josh. I wish I could put some meme right here. You know that meme or that GIF, not meme. Let's see. Everybody's here on Discord. We try to keep it active on Discord. Let's see here. How about win? Let's go to win. Let's do this. Let's put it up here because I want to watch Ethereum. Win is still in that range right here. So Win is still also attached to BTC. Ooh, 34.96 on Ethereum. Didn't quite get there, 3,500. But it's still, you know, once like all these other ones like BTT and Win and all the other like WRX, XLM, and yeah. Anyways, all of them that are in red are following BTC. So once you see BTC starts to bounce off of that range wherever it was 56K and above 58,000, then you'll see all the rest will follow as well. So you're starting to see Ethereum fall back a little bit, but we'll see how that works. See what happens here in a little bit. We already have a pullback here, and then it's trying to go a little higher, but didn't quite get to 3,500. So we're gonna see if it tries, and then see what happens there. That kind of gives us a story or whatever. But yeah, let's see what happens. Man, Ethereum Classic, dude. I was able to jump in on Ethereum Classic back when it was $4. $4, and I sold too early, to be honest with you, on my Ethereum Classic. I did not quite make it to $30, but I was rotating. My stuff around, my coins. I only focused on a few coins that I really wanted, and plus I wanted to go find some coins that I was thinking about holding for about 5 or 10 years, and it it will be kind of like a retirement. I'm planning my retirement. So I rotated a lot of my other coins into a retirement account, and I just bought a shitload, of coins. So if you ask, I have I don't know, millions of coins. Oh man. I think I'm all right. I think I'm gonna be all right for the next 10 years. Um, XRP, yeah, I have a lot too. I can't wait for it to hit $10. Um, Unfortunately, I don't. I only play Doge. When I feel like it. um, I don't do Doge too much. Although I want to get into Doge again. But I'm gonna wait till the bear market. Yeah, man. My goal is to get another sports car. But for some reason, man, like mas gusto ko yung mga four-wheel drive trucks. Mga like the Tacomas are nice. I like my Nissan right now. I like big SUVs. Like I like the off-roading SUVs. Not a Jeep kind guy, although a Jeep would be nice. Pero I like off-roading. It's yeah. Retirement funds. Yeah, man, that's exactly what it is. It's retirement funds for the Philippines. I'm gonna go buy an island or something if I can. But no, I want to buy an island and just live there by myself. No, I'm just kidding. BNB will reach circulating supply. What is BNB circulating supply? I don't even know. Circulating supply is 153 mil. Total supply is 153 mil. Max supply is 197 mil. I mean, it's gonna be. I mean, this is a big company, man. So it's already 100 billion in market cap. I mean, all that is just gonna make them the biggest exchange company. So they're gonna stay within this area here. Will it be bigger than Ethereum? I don't know. I don't think. What's Ethereum's market? Yeah. No, I think it's gonna stay within this price range. What will happen to BNB then? Nothing. BNB will flourish. BNB will stay around forever, and possibly, you know, monopolize. Bitcoin dominance fell to 44.83. Huh. Interesting. But yeah, man. I mean, it's just probably gonna buy out all these other companies. Raptor. I'm not a big Ford guy. I don't like Fords. Although Raptors look nice, Ford just have a lot of problem with their transmission. So yeah. Mm, yeah, it's getting there. Um, it's definitely getting there. 60. So they will. These guys I would have to fight for that number. The top three spot. But yeah, just wait till XRP, man. Just wait till XRP. Uh, the SEC. I don't know if you guys know about the news that's coming out on May 6th, which is in 2 days. But there is some mysterious talks regarding the SEC and Ripple meeting privately. Okay, so that could be a settlement that's coming soon. I mean, because it says there's a settlement, but they don't want to say exactly. So it's a private it's a private meeting. So let's see, BTC was it? Yeah, right here. Oh, it's 4 hours. Let's go back to 5 minutes. Keep an eye on it to make sure. Uh, what up? What's going on, Mr. Alejandro? Good evening to you, sir. So, man, you be saying some deep words, Mr. Josh. Oh man, I'm not that big of like sometimes I'll be saying some deep ass words. Like hindi ko maget. I have to ask Arjan Soriano, like, hey bro, what does this mean? Ask him. I had to ask him something yesterday. I was like, bro, I don't even know what this means. I know, so May 6th, Michael. In 2 days. There's something coming up in 2 days. So could it be? Could it be? That's the question. It's nobody knows what it is. Right? Nobody knows what it is. Um Ethereum looks like it's gonna go and try to break that get to that $3,500 level. I don't know. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Susuhulan. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Let me see. Yeah. I mean, I get the rest, but yeah. Oh man. Man, I spent like 10 years in the Philippines and I was young. Like, you know, uh I went to school, but I mean, you know, years and years and years later, you kind of forget. uh yeah. Uh-huh. They have to collaborate, man. They have to work together. I mean, if US wants to, you know, catch up to everybody else, they would have to do something. What is that? Five. I got what? Josh, come on, man. you gotta talk to me. Um, XRP coin. That's funny. That would be worth. I don't know. That'd be crazy. Bribery. Yeah, man. I hope they can work together. I mean, Gary Gensler, man, he knows Ripple, bro. Like he called Ripple currency. Okay? He called Ripple currency, and there was somebody yesterday who was saying XRP was centralized. Nah, man. XRP is decentralized, okay? I don't know the technicals, but there are technicals that are in play. Um, we're seeing a little bit of drop, not big yet. So cross your fingers. We might see a rotation coming here in a little bit. See if we fall from okay. So but yeah. Oh, typo pala yun. Man, I'm over here like, man, what is that? That's like a new word or something? Like you just coming up with all these new words, Josh. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, man, there's like all these technical terms that they were using, and something about a node and something about like this, which yeah, man, it makes XRP decentralized. Like nobody can control it. Like nobody can make new XRPs out of nowhere. Yeah. Um. BTC, man. I think once na. I think once XRP breaks out of BTC's little chain here, I think everybody else will follow. All the other coins will follow as well. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now 8 o'clock. I think I'm gonna use the restroom, but don't forget to stretch. Well, it's kind of nighttime for you guys up there, so you know, just I don't know, make sure you got some blood flow in you. All right, don't get all coiled up in the PC and like get your all your neck and back all bent. All right. I'll be right back. Listen to some music real quick while we watch these amazing coins. Yeah. Be right back. Hold on. I'm gonna play you guys some music real quick. Oh nga po, coach, ano palang inside mo sa CN coin? Okay, I'll look at it here in a little bit. Hold on. I'll be right back.
Settle down in the place of dreams.
All right, I am back. Um, let's see something. Link. Let's look at Link. What's happening with Link? Ooh, Link. Finally, we're seeing something happening with Link. Rotation is starting to kick in. CHZ is also up 77 or 0.77%. What's happening with CHC? Big candle. Um, so let's see. Zap. WAX. Somebody wanted to look at CN. I don't have any data on CN. Out in crypto. We can do is we look it up here. They know CN coin. What is that? Nothing. No data. No data. No data. Ooh, Doge finally took over six by 1 billion, man. That's crazy. That is wild. We're probably seeing a rotation happening with the rest of the altcoins. Doot. I'm guessing what's the update with XRP pala. It's still trading within this range here. Same thing with BTC. So that's where that's happening with XRP at the moment. I think what it is XRP is waiting for that May 6th news with the SEC versus Ripple. Wait, what? Hold up. I don't know. I've never heard of CN Coin. What happened with CN Coin? Oh, there's an ICO with CN. When is that coming out? Careful with these ICOs. Be careful with the ICOs. SEC don't like ICOs. Initial coin offering. The problem. A solution. Above so below. Yeah. This right here looks fucking crazy already. You got trumped. Oh my god. What is going on with this coin, man? This looked like Jesus. This is the coin you guys are talking about? What the hell? Initial coin offering. Oh, is this like something in the Philippines only? Orchestrated by convicted scammer. What's this? Why subscribe to a better future orchestrated by a convicted scammer? That's hilarious, man. Yeah. I mean, this is pretty interesting. Built on the Ethereum blockchain. Soft cap. Yeah, man. They have a roadmap. What happened? It only went to 2020. Where's the 2021? Go for first due to innate edge your currency. This will be easier than traditional, but with the goal technology to run evil second round running. So I can achieve billionaire status. This is this is so dumb. And as reliable exchange, that was for a massive technology movement. Question of RQH. Oh my god. It's gotta be the most funniest thing. And his contact details is his Facebook. That's hilarious, dude. His contact is his Facebook, guys. You should message him. Oh my god, dude. That's just funny. Uh he has a Ethereum wallet.com. He spent some money on it. Oh shit. Hey man, he got a dream, man. He got a dream. Somebody help him fulfill his dream. Oh shit. He's available 24/7. For now, the Philippine Central Exchange will be operational 8. Oh wait, he's operational 8 to 5 p.m. Um January 21, Hong Kong will be offering 24/7 capacity. It will also be the date of the full launch of XNC. Maybe it is XNC, not SEN. Let me see. Let me see if there's XNC. No, no, not even. It's not even on Coin Market Cap. Hi. Yeah, man, it's his crypto. It's be careful though. um SEC can crack this. I mean, that's probably the guy right here. It's probably him holding I don't know. What is that? Like shoes? It's a clown coin. Oh my god. He's got Trump buying his he's got Trump buying his coin. And then this guy looked like Chucky, Chucky the doll. Or yeah. Oh Jesus. Um he's got a plane carrying like a one of those huge trailer business enterprise movement of goods, payment system, money bag, services, light bulb, computers, towers, and I don't know what is that right there. Product. It's what is that, a B or is that a D? Dill. Contracts. He got contracts right, I guess, with a pen, signing the paper and two handshakes, and then he got like he's probably the same guy. This is hilarious, dude. Where did you guys find this? Oh, is that DHL? That's not a H. That's a I. Oh man. That is funny, dude. That's hilarious. What is this? He's got a bunch of addresses. Oh man, that's probably like people buying his stuff, like the people that send him money. Oh man, that'd be some crazy shit. Oh wait, look, CN Coin is trading at $1.87 right now. Dang, okay. Where are you? Facts. Yeah. P2P. Yeah, he's probably tracking my IP address right now, so I'm gonna click out. Oh man. So is Ethereum having a hard time getting to 3,500? It's only a couple dollars away, which is yeah, crazy, man. Doge green, actually, right there. So we could see Doge go a lot higher. Target price 63 cents. Simulation niya ay lilipad niyan ang funds ng holders. Yeah, probably. um, that was funny, man. Good stuff. He's a convicted scammer. Oh, his prediction. That was his predicted price. It's not really $1.87. It's his prediction of what it would cost or how much it would be worth. Ay, that's funny. Holding the money holders. Yeah, man. There goes another meme coin. CN coin. That's hilarious. Yeah, man. He took a lot of time making that coin and the website. There's a retest coming for the Doge Dogecoin. I want to see XRP either break out of this here or BTC break out of this. Whichever one comes first. But everything else looks like it's starting to go green. Um, we'll just have to wait and see. LTC link is already in green. EOS, DOT, LTC, Uniswap, Burger, whatever this is. I don't know what that is. But yeah, there's the retest. Now we're just gonna have to wait. Oh, shut up. I'm gonna have to go make me another coffee. That would be crazy. Um, good question on ETC because it closely follows Ethereum. So where did it go? We can actually look at the all-time high for ETC. Hit 60. It's starting to wick here. So all-time high for ETC is I think it already passed all-time high. Where's all-time high? Yeah. All-time high was $47 and it's now at it hit $60. So I would not buy into ETC right now. I would wait for, some type of pullback. It's at all-time high, so that's usually what happens. I pull back occurs when it hits all-time high. So kind of like Doge here, pull back a little bit, make that bull flag, and then see if there's a continuation on that one. Since this is on a daily candle or daily chart, you would want to see some type of retrace down here. Does that make sense? The previous all-time high was $49. So a retrace down here would be nice. And then, trade that. So you see that? Kind of a flag form there. Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. What else we got? Oh, come on, BTC. There's Doge making that continuation play. If you were trying to jump in on Doge, your time was right here, and your time would be, right here as well. So if Doge gets passed through, if Doge can pass through that this right here, then Doge will be seeing 63 cents real soon, knocking on that door like, hey, let me in. I'm trying to get through. Could you let me in? And you know, we'll see though. BTC is still trying to get out of this hole right here. We can zoom in closer. Ethereum Classic is doing a good job, man. A friend of mine made a lot of money on Ethereum Classic. Let's see here. Where were we at? Ethereum 35. Oh, 35, 35, 3506 on Ethereum. 3506 on Ethereum. Even though ETC follows Ethereum closely, Ethereum just doesn't have that big of a volume like Ethereum does. So a pullback on Ethereum Classic would be nice, and then long term it. I think Ethereum Classic. A lot of people underestimate that coin a lot. So I think it's got a long ways to go. I think it could go to 100. Yep, a break above 54 for Doge would be nice. End of the year value, somewhere above 4,500, maybe even above 5K. It's trying to go higher. Ethereum is trying to go higher. Get bigger candles here. Same thing with BTC. Get bigger candles. Get rid of the volume. Nah, keep the volume. Big volume on Ethereum. Dang, look at that. It's huge. Oh my god. That's crazy, man. Get bigger candles here. There it is. Doge breaking out. So, oh man, don't worry. XRP is gonna be. It's gonna slap a lot of people. It's going to get crazy with XRP. The only thing with XRP, the only thing that's slowing it down is the SEC stuff. So once the SEC stuff goes away, XRP was free to do whatever it wants to do. So and I think we can finally see XRP break out of Ethereum or BTC's little chain. It's a bigger volume than the candle, so we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. Come back. Yep. Just gonna have to wait on XRP. That's the thing about XRP, man. Like, I wasn't kidding about how XRP could be a boring crypto. It actually can be very boring, and it's known for its big shakeouts. Like these shakeouts here. That's just how XRP is. But when it moves like crazy. You know what I mean? It's a lagger, and I love laggers. You know, when you see everything else like going up, you know, when you see everything else going up and XRP is staying behind. Like same thing with other coins, man. If you see coins that are lagging, I would rather jump on the laggers than coins that are already going up. Yeah, man. It's like this, man. When you've been invested with XRP for like a long time, and you're kind of like at the point of yung parang disappointed ka na sa movement ng XRP, and you kind of learn patience as you go, and you're just you're just like, you know what, like I'm just gonna let it be. And then once it finally moves, you feel like yung excitement level mo is like, dang, um, it was worth it, right? uh and then, like you said, man, it moves your soul. And it does. It really does, man. I've been waiting for this moment for XRP to go above $1. I've been waiting a long time, man. Finally. That's usually how it is. Um we need to see this. We need to see this move. What is it? 3508. Can it go higher than that? Is Doge running out of gas? Or is it just retesting? Retesting this level. Let's see. Man, that is wild. Ethereum just creating all time highs every single time. That is crazy. 3443, 3489, 3498. That is crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, we do this Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Why do I get? Oh, it's 8:30. I'm getting all these notifications regarding stock market. Let's see how the stock market is doing. SPY is at 416. Okay lang. If I look at the stock market real quick, we'll leave Ethereum there. Just want to see what SPY is doing. It's dropping. Apple. Couldn't break the previous high. Tesla. I bought Tesla when it hit 500 something. Right here. 543. I was kind of late, but Tesla can move. It can move big. I want to look at Baba. See, I remember when I was trading stocks, or when I was more active trading stocks, I predicted a where'd he go? I predicted a reversal on Baba. People did not believe that it was reversing, and I said, get out of Baba, take profit. Where was it? I think it was on a weekly. Yeah, there it is. On a weekly candle, I saw this reversal, the reversal happening, and then it just been on a downtrend ever since. And everybody called me like crazy. They were like, "Oh man, whatever. You're a bear. Like, you just want the price to go down." Da da da. I was like, "Nah, man, it's not me. It's the stock. They want to go down. Like all the bears, just all the this investors are just selling. They're gonna take profit." And sure enough, they still didn't believe me on this candle here. And then they still didn't believe me on this candle here. I was like, man, I got out of the position right here. And then they were like, oh man, that just happens, that happens, blah blah blah. And I was like, okay. And then they had this really big red candle, and then they were like, nah, we still don't believe you right here because it's going up now. And then I'm like, okay, that's cool. And then next thing you know, it is way down here, and then everybody got quiet. I just left. But yeah, anyways, it was pretty interesting. Uh, well, let's see, BTC. Man, Doge is strong. It's almost there. While Bitcoin is dropping. What's the weekly candle on Ethereum? Big. It's huge. It's crazy, dude. BTC. Trading within range here. Daily. Still right there. Okay. All right then. Hello, hello. Good evening. Doge, man, you missed it. We were saying Doge would be a good play right here. Once we see like a little sideways trading, maybe a bull flag or something. That breakout, then a retest, then that would be a good entry point. And yeah. And then now Doge is on its way to deliver some pizza around 63 cents. And then we're watching Ethereum uh, go to all time high, which is 35.30, 35.29. So I want to see if Ethereum actually goes even more crazier, maybe to 35.50. And then we're watching XRP follow Bitcoin closely, uh, and the SEC news on the 6th. So that's what we're doing right now. Nothing more special than that, other than watch crypto all day, every day, Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Big candle. Dropping big. Dropping big. What's happening? Is BTC finally ready to give in here? Are we going to see this support line break? We'll find out. Is Doge running out of steam also? BTC dropping. Nothing big yet though. Once we see BTC drops below here, below here, below here, and finally below here. Where's my thing? Below here. So we got several different supports here. Um, once we see BTC falls below 55.4, it's gonna drop faster down towards 55.1, and then even faster towards 54.6. And then anything below 54.6, we're gonna start to see bigger dips, more velocity and drops, possibly to the next level support, which is right here, which is 54.2, and then kind of slow down around here. But yeah, that's how BTC works. So far, we need BTC to maintain these levels so that way our precious little XRP can stay within this range as well. Damn it, Tim. What is that? No, I'm kidding. Nangangate. Nangangate? Oh, like itching? Paano, coach, paano gagawin pag nangangate bumili ng kahit sinabi ng indicators na wag? Oh man, you late too? Damn it, Tim. You should have bought here. Don't buy now, Tim. Well, you can chase it, but I wouldn't recommend it. And I always recommend not chasing green candles, man. Wait for pullbacks. Should have got here, here. You should have gotten here. You should definitely gotten here. Uh-oh, I messed up. There we go. Oh, right here. What is this, on a 5-minute? So overextended on the 4-hour, especially on the daily. So I think its target is that that 60 something cents, 63 cents area, and then finally take a break from that. Uh-oh, BTC dropping. BTC dropping, guys. Not good, not good. So right here, this might be max. If BTC keeps dropping, Doge will drop as well. So that's why I never changed the green candle. We need XRP to hold above 140. We need XRP to hold above 140. If BTC keeps dropping like this, we could be revisiting, what was that? Either 52.4, 50, and what is that? 47. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. It's not over yet. It's gonna be a big day. Going to be a big day. BTC holding right there. Dogecoin trying to get up there as much as, as fast as it can. Oh man, I think Ethereum is almost out of gas. It's not getting up there. I think BTC is also trying its best to stay above the water. Coach, how does BTC affect altcoins? Sorry, new question. Uh I mean everything is pretty much tied to, BTC, since BTC is the main coin, right? Um so BTC drops, everything else drops. Well, in this case, since alt season started, Ethereum already we kind of went over this at almost at the very beginning of um the live stream, how Ethereum and Dogecoin already separated themselves away from BTC. All right. And it's usually what happens when BTC is nearing the end. Yeah, BTC is the mothership. And Ethereum and Dogecoin just happen to be, you know, like they said, you know what? F this. Forget about BTC. We're running away. We're doing our own thing from now on. I'm leaving you, mom, and things like that. I'm gonna live my own life. Doge is like, me too. Let me come with you. Ethereum class is like, you know what? I'll watch and I'll follow a little bit. Um, Soul was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna go back. And then LTC was like, you know what? Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna do the same because I've been with you guys forever. You guys are my best friends, and I'm gonna go up like 7% of the time, and that's it. And then Link was like, I'm gonna try to do the same thing. I'm a little scared. And then ETC was like, yeah, that friend. And then LTC. What? How do I have two LTZs up in here? Hold on. You're deleted, sir. All right. Okay. Yeah, Uniswap. Yeah, man, that's how it usually works. Ethereum was like, bro, I'm a little tired. Doge, you want to take a rest for a little bit, and give everybody else a shot. You know, we hit our goal. Doge, we should just take a rest. You know, we're in the Philippines. Um, we can go higher, pero sabi ng Ethereum kay Doge, gabi na, tulog muna tayo. Bukas na lang. XN is XNC. Do I have XNC? X XNC XNC XNC. Nope. What is that? Oh, CN coin. I keep forgetting. BTC dropping below 58 cents. Um, let's see. We'll see, guys. CN coin. Yeah, I know. I figured. XNC. Ethereum dropping. BTC dropping. Doge is trying. Doge said, no, not yet. Um, XRP is just like, fuck it. Wherever you guys want to go, I'm down. Kind of reminds me of me. I'm down with anything and everything. Not anything, everything, but I'm still down. Uh, Ethereum is, I think it hit a limit right here, 35.30.